people, this is developer Haider and I'm back again with some interesting content. For quite some time I was thinking of building a location tracking system for my pet cat, but the first and the foremost thing when I thought of building this location tracking system, I thought of a GPS and a GPRS and a battery module, which in itself would be heavy and costly and costly um in terms of weight and other aspects. Now, that's something which you cannot achieve it at a DIY level. So I had to come up with something different, something which can, considering the fact that my pet does not go beyond like 200 or 300 meters. So I thought of making an Wi-Fi beacon, which will constantly emit data packets so that I'll be able to catch that data packets based on the signal strength of that particular Wi-Fi. I'll be able to track or locate the my pet's position. So the first and the foremost thing, the ideal candidate for such a endeavor would be to use ESP8266. Why ESP8266? It is because it is DIY friendly, and second of all, it does not require. I was thinking of a solution which does not require much of the hardware side of the things and more on the software side of the things. So all I had to do was upload a code which would basically turn on the hotspot on the ESP8266 module, and I connected that to an 1500 mAh battery, which would constantly emit of 3.7 volt of battery. So which gave me a solid of 10 hours of uptime, which was wonderful because I was able to no amount of other modules were not able to stand up to that much. I have attached this module to the cat's collar, so as every time it emits the Wi-Fi signal, based on the signal strength, we are trying to assess the actual position of the pet. So this in itself this in itself is a very simple process. All right, so there is something called as RSSID, which basically signifies the strength of a signal, a Wi-Fi signal. So as soon as the cat is nearby, the signal strength will obviously increase, and as soon as the cat is far away from my position, the signal strength is going to decrease. Using this principle, we can actually predict the actual position of the cat. So let me show you a demo, uh, so that how it works. All right, but before that we need to tie this band to my cat. So he's a difficult to get by, so who will tie the bell to the cat, I wonder. So he was in a semi sleeping mode when I was able to actually get a hold of him, and I was able to tie the bell to his neck. All right, so after that is it done, I actually started the ESP8266 module by just plugging it into the battery, and that's it. So the Wi-Fi beacon was alive, and it started emitting Wi-Fi signal. So that is all I needed to do, and I was able to get the position of the cat for around 200 meters, considering my Wi-Fi signal receiver's strength. On the receiver side, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 3 as it has like inbuilt Wi-Fi module. But you can use your Android device as well, because since it uses Wi-Fi hotspot, you can basically search for particular SSID in your mobile Wi-Fi networks. Similarly, there is an application called as Wi-Fi Analyzer, which will help you, track down the single SSID. So guys, this is the jugaad solution that I could think of. If you guys have something better, something which can improve the existing system, or something which you can add on to, you can definitely suggest in the comment section, or if you want if you want more content like this, just stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.